Best tools for cutting drywall. Cutting drywall can be a dusty, frustrating mess if you are using the wrong gear. I've ruined enough sheets to know that grabbing just any old knife won't cut it. So I bought and tested the best tools for cutting drywall to save you the hassle and your hard-earned money. Product number 1. Goldblatt Folding Drywall. Saw when I first pulled the Goldblatt Folding Drywall saw out of the box, the heavy-duty feel immediately stood out to me. The soft anti-slip grip sits right in your hand, giving you total confidence before you even make a cut. I put this 5-inch blade through some thick wallboard, and the triple ground teeth made extremely quick work of it. Because it cuts on both the push and pull, I finished my test cuts twice as fast as I normally would. The sharpened tip easily punched right through the drywall without slipping around. I really love the folding mechanism and the secure lock button. It means I can toss it in my tool bag without worrying about cutting my hand later. If you need a reliable, safe saw for everyday DIY projects, this is definitely your pick. Let's go look at something with a little bit more raw power. Product number 2. DeWalt 20 VoltMax XR Brushless Drywall Cutout Tool. Holding the DeWalt 20 VoltMax XR cutout tool feels like holding a serious piece of professional gear. It's surprisingly compact, which I appreciated when holding it above my head for ceiling work. When I fired it up, the 26,000 RPM brushless motor tore right through the drywall test pieces like butter. The forward position power button is incredibly convenient to hit with your thumb while working. My absolute favorite feature is the tool-free bit change. I didn't have to hunt down a wrench once while swapping bits, which saved me so much frustration. The built-in LED light actually does a great job lighting up guidelines in dark corners, and the adjustable depth guide kept my cuts perfectly consistent. If you are a contractor tackling massive renovations, you need this in your arsenal. Now, sometimes you just need a much simpler approach for scoring those long straight lines. Product number 3. M-Meepo Box Cutter 4-pack. I honestly didn't expect much from a standard utility knife, but grabbing the M-Meepo Box Cutter completely changed my mind. Since it comes in a pack of 4, I left one in my pocket, one in the truck, and 2 on the workbench. The tough plastic handle keeps the knife incredibly lightweight, so my hand didn't cramp up during long scoring sessions. I used this to score and snap several sheets of drywall, and the heat-treated, heavy-duty blades didn't bend or flex at all. I hate messing with screwdrivers to swap blades, so the quick blade change design on this model is a massive relief. You get 10 extra blades in the box, meaning you won't run out anytime soon. If you want a tough, everyday cutter for straight drywall scoring and general utility work, grab this handy bundle. Let's step back to another manual saw option. Product number 4. Irwin Tools Standard Drywall / Jab Saw. The Irwin Standard Jab Saw has that classic, old-school feel that I really appreciate. When you grip the smooth hardwood handle, it feels perfectly balanced and surprisingly sturdy. Unlike the folding models, this fixed, rigid blade offers incredible cut control. I tested it by cutting out a few electrical box openings, and the blade didn't wobble or bend off my pencil lines once. The by-ground teeth are aggressive enough to chew through the gypsum fast, but they still leave a fairly smooth edge that won't require a ton of mud to fix later. It's a beautifully simple, rugged tool that just does exactly what you need it to do, without any fancy moving parts getting in the way. If you prefer a traditional fixed blade saw that can easily handle roughing and plumbing or HVAC holes, this is a solid buy. Let's check out one last folding saw. Product number 5. Kata Folding Drywall. Jab saw, picking up the Kata Folding Drywall. Saw I immediately noticed the black and yellow rubberized handle. It gives you a really firm, comfortable grip that absolutely won't slip, even if your hands get excessively sweaty. I popped open the blade using the secure lock button, and the sharp tip punched right into my drywall test board with almost no effort. The steel blade uses a 7TPI triple tooth pattern, which I found gave me a ton of control when making tight, curved cuts for pipe access holes. When I was done testing, the folding design let me tuck the sharp edges away safely and toss it straight into my kitchen drawer. If you are a homeowner looking for a compact, inexpensive saw to keep around for quick wall patches and occasional repairs, this tool fits the bill perfectly. Let's go ahead and wrap up this drywall tool review. That wraps up my testing for the best tools for cutting drywall. Whether you need a simple knife or a powerful motor, One of these will definitely do the trick. Check the links in the description below for current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.